What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be upgrading our fog lights on the Impreza.
What? Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Now you may be thinking to yourself, why are we upgrading our fog lights when they shine perfectly fine? These are actually a very good LED fog lights. Some of the better fog lights that I've seen on most modern vehicles, these are actually pretty good, but they could always be better.
You ready to have some fun? Let's do it.
So what we're going to be replacing them with is these right here. These are the Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lights. Now, if you don't know anything about Diode Dynamics, they have to be one of the best automotive lighting companies out there in the world. I'm not sponsored to say that.
Oh, really? I didn't know that, and I didn't need to know that.
I've just ran their products on my vehicles, and they are exceptional. And I will continue to put them on any other vehicle that I will ever own.
Nice.
So these fog lights do come in two variants. We do have the regular cool white as well as amber. Nothing says JDM like yellow fog lights, so we went with amber. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get these installed. All right, guys, I went ahead and jacked up the car. Now that gives us access to this weather liner right here, directly below the fog light. Now we have 5 plastic clips that we're going to be removing. Alright guys, so I'm kind of working with a weird camera angle, but we have a 10mm bolt right here and a pop clip right above it. So we're going to remove those and unplug the clip, and then the whole housing will come straight out. Now this is the provided wire harness that is given to us by Diode Dynamics. Now we have the plug here that plugs into the fog light, as well as this extra plug right here, which is going to be a tap. So this taps into the daytime running light. So this fog light actually has the capability of having like a DRL or an amber backlight. We're not going to be installing that today. I'm not really going for that look of having an amber light as a DRL. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug that. It's just going to be hung up out of the way. This plug plugs into our existing fog light wire right here. Now that we're done with that, you want to go ahead and turn on your lights and double check and make sure everything works. And there we have it, guys. That is the installation complete of some fog lights for your Subaru Impreza. Now, if you do have questions about aiming them, Diode Dynamics has a good in-depth video on their website to help you figure out the proper aim distance you want. That way you're not blinding people, and that way they're not too low. But other than that, guys, I will leave these linked in the description down below for you guys to buy and check them out for yourself. If you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.